Epic and controlled by virtual reality.
This in California adventure
So we didn't make rope drop, but that's okay. We're still here.
It's cold.
It's a little chilly today.
Let's get some coffee.
But first, coffee.
Aw, darn it!
You forgot your book, huh?
Yeah, I did.
You did?
Yep. Donald! 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 Why is that big?
Oh, Minnie's right there too.
Where?
Right there in the middle.
Hiya, drivers. This is Bird. For a safe drive, remember to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the car.
Still can't
and be
ride
sure to
alone
watch your
yet.
kids. To make the car go.
So we measured her, and she still can't ride Autotopia yet.
That's
Just
so
a little
sad.
bit more. Just a little bit more.
I don't want to ride with other people.
You and the car in front of you. Take your foot off. We're gonna save you.
So close. This is the face you make when you can't drive alone in Autopia.
She's gonna drive me today.
That's just the really face right there. That's the bad face that I don't know.
When adulting hits you really hard, you need coffee.
Now I know what the horror of driving is like.
No, you don't. Not yet.
Put on the gas pedal. 1, 2, 3. Put on the gas pedal. Go. I'm sorry, I just can't hold it any longer.
Short people problems, so you gotta step in and put your foot on the gas for your sister.
Yep.
Kind of like this. I get to sip my coffee and she's driving. I love it. Can somebody else do that for me in real life? I get to sip my coffee, enjoy the scenery, and they drive for me.
Sister, is your foot all the way like on the pedal?
Yes, my foot is on the pedal all the way.
Okay.
These cars can only go so
Hey,
fast.
Mama.
Spill the coffee. Spill my coffee. I spilled my coffee.
So much fun.
Look at this. So beautiful today.
I know. It's not gonna rain because like it's like maybe like a 0% chance it might rain today.
Secure all stations. System check. Lock steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead full.
Hey, Star, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Right to there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer,
Closer.
closer.
Something touched me.
That was me.
Where are you going? Mama's over there.
To make sure that they are just doing their own thing and that no one doesn't want anybody like.
There you go.
We gotta make our fast pass.
All right. I'll be around all day. You're not gonna go too fast.
I was like, oh no.
Bonjour, Mademoiselle Belle.
Bonjour, Mr. Jones and Mr. Smile.
Bonjour, and welcome to the Royal Theatre.
Thank you. I am so excited to be here and help tell my story.
Well, so we shall play most of the roles in your story.
I shall pretend to be Gaston.
And I shall pretend to be the Beast.
Oh, and you shall pretend to be Belle.
But I am Belle.
And you will be marvelous.
Thank you. I'm sure you'll be marvelous as well.
Did you hear that? Another rave review. We haven't even begun.
And so we begin.
Places, please. A scene in the village. Once upon a time, there was a delightful demoiselle named Belle. It was on this particular morning that you picked your way through your small provincial town, book in hand.
Well, thank you.
Indeed, Belle loves books,
Faraway places.
magic spells,
Daring duels.
heroes in disguise.
And happily ever afters.
Little did Belle know that today would be her lucky day. Hello, Belle.
Oh, I am so sorry. I promise I won't keep stopping. But,
What is it?
well, it's Gaston.
Oh yes, Mr. Jones is
Pretending
pretending.
to be Gaston. I know. It's just that, well, Gaston had much.
You really are.
Unfortunately for us, the kingdom's three leading experts on princely behavior are with us today.
Oh, this will never work.
Oh, you must try for all our sakes, you must try. Oui. For we are here to simply help you be your best.
Lesson number 1. The royal bow. Place your left foot behind the right. You send your right foot forward. You put your left hand in. You put your right hand out. Then you dip the hinky punky and you turn it around.
Oui, that's what it's all about. Lesson number 2 is a royal dance. Ça Samuel, some royal dancing music, s'il vous plaît.
I'm sorry I behave like a beast.
Well, it's all right. Perhaps I jumped to conclusions. It's true, you know, you really can't judge a book by its cover.
The moon is bright, the night's happy. In music be the food of love, sing along.
Tale as old as time, song as old as time, beauty and love.
You can tell I'm falling, right?
Oh, Beast, you can't leave me. Not now.
Maybe it's better this way.
No, don't talk like that. You'll be all right. We're together now, and everything's gonna be fine. You'll see.
At least I got to see you one last time.
No, please don't leave me. I love you.
last petal fell from the rose, it seemed that the spell would never be broken. That is, until magic began to rain from the sky. Like shooting stars, sparkles of light fell from above. Rising from the ground, the beast appeared to float before Belle's eyes. And he began to change. What had been a hideous beast was now transforming. And through the power of true love, at long last, the spell was broken. Huzzah! The beast was once again a prince.
Belle became my princess.
And we all lived
Happily ever after.
Alright folks, we're going to start ours with Once Upon a Time, starting with the Three Little Pigs. In just a second, to your left hand side, you'll see the cave of the Big Bad Wolf. Just right across the river to your right hand side, 3 homes of the Three Little Pigs. One made out of straw, one made out of sticks, and the very last one out of heavy duty wolf-proof bricks. Coming up just around the corner to our left-hand side, you'll be seeing the English village where Alice lives. Now Alice followed a cute little white rabbit down a rabbit hole, which took them down to a world of wonders. Just to our right, we have London Park. Now London Park is home to Peter Pan, Wendy, and all the darling children. With a bit of help of Pixie Dust from Tinkerbell herself, they were able to fly off into Neverland, where they'd never have to grow up. Straight ahead, just Jafar, we have the city of Agrabah. Now the city of Agrabah is home to a very beautiful Princess Jasmine, along with a street rat named Aladdin. What this story taught us is that although being from 2 different worlds, love can always bring you that much closer together. Now we're currently going through the arches. The same arches where both Princess Jasmine and Aladdin took a magic carpet ride over, sideways, and under to a whole new world. Now straight ahead, we're approaching the Cave of Wonders. Now the Cave of Wonders is said to hold a very powerful, mysterious, mystical lamp, which is also home to a genie. A genie almighty and powerful that can grant you up to 3 wishes with the rub of that lamp.
I do this weird waiting in line at
Hey guys and gals, so I just left Disneyland right now. Want to say thank you for watching my day. I'm gonna be editing and uploading a little bit later today or tomorrow. So yeah, we tried to make the rope drop, but we were like 8 minutes late. Also, I don't know if you guys and girls know, but I cut my hair. It's kind of like a lob or like an A-line kind of, but I like it. I feel like a new woman, like something totally different. I needed to cut my hair. It was so sad seeing like 3 to 4 inches of my hair down the floor, but it's okay. I needed a haircut. I haven't gotten a haircut so short and like so long. So yeah, I totally needed it. Tonight I will be doing the Museum of Illusions. I've never done that before, so that's what I'll be doing tonight. So yeah, and tomorrow I'll be going to Disneyland again. So in the meantime, I'll see you tomorrow. Toodles.